Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix the Steam. The operation was cancelled by the user error. So the first option or the first method that you can try is to run Steam as administrator. To do that, you'll have to go to your Steam shortcut, right click on it, go to open file location. So your file location will pop up, and from here you'll have to select your Steam application icon, right click on that and go to properties, and then here you'll see compatibilities, click on that, and then you'll have to tick run this program as an administrator, press apply and then OK. And then what the other methods are launch Steam. After launching Steam, press on this Steam button here and then press on settings, and then after that what you can do is go to storage, and then here you'll see this settings button here, press on that and press repair library. So Steam will repair your library and your game files will be repaired. And then also you can go to downloads and then scroll down a bit and then press this clear cache button. It will clear your download cache and restart your Steam. Also if your game is not updated, what you can do is select your game. Like suppose this is the game that having trouble, so go to properties, and then in the updates bar, if your automatic updates are turned off, so you may have any updates pending, so simply update your game. Also if you want to verify your files, go to install files and press this verify integrity of game files to fix your game files. So after that what you can do is you can restart Steam. To do that what you'll have to do is you'll have to come to this top left corner Steam button, press that and press exit. And then you can also right click on your taskbar and go to task manager and then go to details. So search for Steam here and end all Steam tasks. So if you don't have any, so it is automatically is already ended. So another thing that you can try is allow your Steam to go through your firewall. So to do that, simply search for allow an app through your Windows firewall, press on that. It will take you to this page. From here you'll have to search for Steam, press somewhere and press S, and you'll see Steam here. So you'll have to press select Steam, and you'll have to tick both of these private and public. So if you can't find Steam here, what you can do is you'll have to press change setting, and then you'll have to press allow another app, and then you'll have to copy and paste the file of Steam here. Like when you browse, you'll have to paste your file here like this, and then you'll have to select Steam and then press open, and then you'll have to allow it to go through in public and private. So try all these methods and hopefully your error will be fixed. That was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.